I'm making one of the most popular and spiciest Greek meze dips today. It's called Ktipiti. That means beaten. You'll see why. It's basically Greek feta beaten with a whole bunch of different peppers. And that's the first thing I'm going to start with. 1 hot chili pepper. We want to de-seed our pepper. Now you can make this dip as hot or as mild as you like. I tend to have a pretty spicy palate, so I like to add even a little bit of hot pepper sauce in here at the end. This is going right into my food processor here. I'm gonna also cut a roasted red, what we call in Greek, piperia florinis. And just a rough chop, because this is all gonna be pureed together in the food processor. And I'm gonna puree the feta in increments. I always add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I also will add a little bit of Greek yogurt to this, and that just makes it a little bit smoother. A little bit of lemon juice. Now, lemon juice is generally something you want to use in a lot of dishes in the Greek kitchen because it balances out a lot of the flavors and kind of perks up the dish. So this is about 2 tablespoons. I also add a little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of Greek oregano, and a little bit of black pepper. And I'm just gonna whip up the final batch here. This is exactly the texture we want. It's still a little bit grainy from the feta. You want that, you wanna feel the feta, but it's also really smooth and very spreadable. So I'm just gonna serve this up, and I like to serve it with breadsticks or these beautiful bread rings called koulouria in Greek. I'm just gonna try my Ktipiti. There has some kick to it. It's really good. The brininess from the feta cheese and that beautiful sweetness from those roasted red Florina peppers and that lemon juice perks everything up. It's perfect.